All right, so if you were like me, you want to make a little bit of extra money, you want to go to the junkyard, you want to buy some stuff, you want to sell it on eBay. So I thought we'd do a video where we get a budget toolkit to start going to the junkyard to buy stuff to sell on eBay. And we're gonna do that at Harbor Freight. So I'm hoping to keep this under $30 because not everybody has a lot of money to start working with, and you really don't need expensive tools to do this. So you want to start with small things. You want to start with car emblems, which are easy to get off. You want to start with AC control clusters, maybe a radio. Those aren't that difficult to take out. You don't need many tools to do that. So let's build the ultimate budget toolkit at Harbor Freight. Walking in, one thing you want to have is something to keep your tools in. You want to have a screwdriver, maybe a flathead and a Phillips head. I'm not sure what we'll be able to find. We're wanting to keep it under $30. You need a scraper and maybe a wrench. We'll see what we can find. All right, so like I said, you're gonna want a scraper, and this guy right here, it'll come off. A 3-inch putty knife. Has it got much give? It's pretty stiff. This should work. That might be too small. That's probably too big. But this one, mine that I carry is a 3-inch. It's more of a flex, but this should work fine. Okay, so for $2.50, we've got this multi screwdriver right here. You got Phillips flathead, and it's got some nut drivers built in. So $2.50 for that. So you're also gonna want a regular screwdriver that doesn't change like that other one. So I think we're gonna go with the 5/16 by 6-inch. This one is $2. You could use this as a pry bar. I mean, you could get the bigger one, which would work better, but that one also doesn't have as sharp of a tip. This one would be too small, and this is magnetic. So like I said, you're gonna want something to keep your stuff in. We've got plenty of tool bags. That's what I lean towards. So I think that's what we're gonna go with, is one of these $8 tool bags, the Voyager, for $8. You could also go with one of the belt clips they have over there. I think that's another good option. But I'm more of a bag guy, because you can also keep your other stuff. I like this too. They have this canvas bag that's shaped like a bucket. That's pretty good. But I think we're gonna lean towards this right here. All right, so we're gonna need some sort of wrench to take out bolts, and without having a whole wrench set, like I said, you want to keep it as simple as possible. A little crescent wrench, that will do. And we need a pair of channel locks, but the cheapest pair they have is $10 that I can find. So I guess we're gonna have to use these slip joint pliers. They are $5, but I believe that's really all we need. Once we get all this, we can go to the junkyard. All right, guys, so for $29.43, this is what you get. We have our bag to hold our stuff in. We have our putty knife for taking emblems off. We have our 6-in-1 screwdriver for taking out dash bezels, stuff like that. One thing I did forget to look at was some trim tools, because trim tools will come in handy. They'll help you not break certain emblems, take out dash bezels, stuff like that. Like I said, we got a pair of pliers right there, a crescent wrench, and a standard screwdriver. So with this right here, with just those tools right there, you can start going to the junkyard and making some extra money. That's pretty much all that I have in my kit that I take to the junkyard every time that I go. Your main tool is the putty knife. It's really all you need to get started. The rest of it's just extras if you find anything that you may want to try and take off. But Be looking out for the next video, because I'm going to show you how to get emblems off at the junkyard. Once you find one that you like and is priced reasonably, I'll show you how to take the tools we just picked up and turn that in to extra money. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. That's it for this one. I will see you next time.